Hey there, BMX enthusiasts. Today we have something special for you, the Miracle CR Mo Steel Frame 20-inch Freestyle BMX bike. This bike has everything advanced riders need, from its stylized design to its reliable wheel set. The frame and front fork of the Miracle 20-inch BMX bicycle are made of high-strength chrome molybdenum steel, providing unparalleled durability while reducing weight. This means better shock absorption capacity and a longer service life for the bike. Equipped with a 175mm long integrated CR Mo steel crank and a 25T chain ring, the Miracle provides assistance for short-distance acceleration. The aluminum rear brake and handbrake can provide precise speed control, making for a smooth and safe ride. Not to mention the 20x2. 4 rubber wide tires mounted on aluminum single-wall 48H rims with 3/8 inner axle front and 14mm rear aluminum hubs provide a reliable wheel set that can handle whatever you throw at it. And the best part? 85% of the bike is assembled and comes with assembly tools, making it easy for you to get out there and start riding. Plus, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, so you can ride with peace of mind. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Miracle CR Mo Steel Frame 20-inch Freestyle BMX bike and take your cycling to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more BMX bike reviews and awesome content. Happy riding!